Let's talk about area agencies on aging, your connection to local aging services, and more. Area agencies on aging meet the needs of older adults and people with disabilities of all ages in their communities. The overwhelming majority of people ages 50 and older would prefer to age in place, living in their own homes and communities. For that to be possible, many will need affordable, accessible housing, person-centered supportive services that provide assistance to meet their changing needs over time. Many of these community-based supportive services are provided by area agencies on aging, which also serve people with disabilities. While Medicaid is currently the largest home and community-based services program, the Older Americans Act establishes specific roles and responsibilities for area agencies on aging, also known as AAAs, to be local planning and development specialists. Today, more than 600 AAAs nationwide are the local leaders on aging, helping ensure that older adults can age with optimal health, well-being, and independence in their homes and communities, and that their caregivers have the support that they need. AAAs are deeply rooted in the communities they serve, providing robust planning, surveying community needs to inform policy and programming, and creating innovative partnerships. One of the critical roles played by AAAs is to ensure their communities offer a wide range of options for older adults. All AAAs assess needs of older adults in their communities and work with partners to develop and fund programs and services that respond to those needs. They also directly support individuals by educating and providing direct assistance about available services and supports, serving as portals to care. For example, AAAs support older adults in maintaining their housing through activities such as individualized planning, coordinating in-home services, arranging for home modifications and repairs, and connecting them to other housing assistance. The wide array of services that AAAs offer helps ensure older adults have the supports they need to continue living at home and in their communities. These include meals, transportation, information referral, caregiver support, home care, home modifications, social engagement, and elder justice. Regardless of the number of services provided, all AAAs offer 5 core services under the Older Americans Act to assist and empower people to take charge of their own health. These include elder rights, caregiver support, nutrition services, evidence-based health and wellness programs, supportive services including in-home care, transportation, case management, legal services, and more. As the local leaders in aging well in the community, AAAs are engaging in public policy, sparking local innovation, strengthening the capacity of the service delivery network, and driving excellence in aging and home and community-based services. AAAs are poised to partner with other community stakeholders to expand efforts to support older adults with the housing and services they need to thrive at home and in the community. Looking to help older adults age in place safely with independence and access to resources in their communities? If you know your local AAA, give them a call or visit their website. Find the AAA nearest you by contacting the Elder Care Locator by calling 800-677-1116. You can also find your local AAA by zip code or city and state by visiting eldercare.acl.gov and entering your zip code or city or state in the text box that appears at the top of the homepage. The Elder Care Locator is a hotline and website funded by the U.S. Administration for Community Living and administered by U.S. Aging. Trained staff are available to help older adults, families, caregivers, and professionals Get connected to a local AAA and other community resources Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. This video was brought to you by the Housing and Services Resource Center, or HSRC, which is a joint initiative between the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. The HSRC fosters collaboration and partnerships between the organizations and systems that work to help people live successfully and stably in the community. The HSRC is led by the Administration for Community Living.